Placing an order during an event is really quite easy. First, let me give you a little background so you can understand how the order takes place. To learn how to set up an event in back office, refer to that particular tutorial. In this case, for this example, at this restaurant on Thursdays and Fridays from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m., there is a lunch special. If at least two people are dining, you will receive half off the lunch special. The lunch special is normally $8.99, but during this event, it's $4.45, as long as there are at least two people dining. Let's try it out and see how it works. First, tap point of sale, and then you can choose what area you want to select for where the guests are dining. In this case, we're going to choose a bar area because there are 2 to 4 tables. However, if you want to choose a different area, just simply swipe, for example, to the dining room or to the bar. Tap table 24, and here you can see there are two people dining, so they qualify for this event and they're within the time parameters. They have indicated to the server that they want to order the lunch special, so look on the menu for that area and tap on it. Seat 1. As you can see, the lunch special is $4.45. Normally, it is $8.99. Once the time parameters have ended, for example, in this case, once it's no longer 1:30 p.m. on a Thursday or Friday, the lunch special goes back to its regular price, $8.99. Seat 2 will also like to order the same thing, and you may add any other items that the guests wish to order by simply tapping on the seat number and then tapping the menu item. You cash them out just like you normally would with any other guests. Choose the method of payment and enter the amount of payment. Tap done, close, and then OK. You've just placed an order during an event.